Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking one platform that matches your group size and device. Discord is great for communities, Zoom for meetings. Plug in a headset or USB mic, then open system sound settings to set it as the default input. Once done, grant the app microphone permission and use its test call or an audio meter to confirm input levels. Make sure to toggle any hardware mute switches and note where push-to-talk lives, so you won't be surprised during the first call. You now tune settings for clarity and stability. In the app, reduce input gain to avoid clipping and enable noise suppression or echo cancellation to cut background sound. Next, decide if you want push-to-talk versus open mic. If push-to-talk, assign a comfortable key and practice it once. Then pick the correct output device and enable any low latency or audio codec options to reduce lag. Finally, run a short test with a partner and listen for volume balance. You enter the voice room a few minutes early and say a quick hello so others can confirm they hear you. While talking, watch the app's input meter and lower gain if it clips. If others report reverb, turn off stereo or enable echo suppression. Once done, record a short clip or ask someone to send feedback. If audio fails, try simple fixes. Switch to another headset, restart the app, or relogin. And if that still fails, reboot your device before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.